Okay, so you're going to make your check-in, check-out in Excel now. So go to your case manager folder in OneDrive and select your check-in, check-out. So right here, we have to do little things differently from what we did before with sheets. Or if you're doing this one first, you're just going to get this done first. So make your numbers here on this one sheet. And I'm going to just call this values. Basically, you can call it whatever you want. Okay, and then we're going to rename this, and I'll just put my name here. You can put whatever name you want to here. And then I'm just picking up some generic names here. And then rename, and this is going to be totals. All right. So I want you just to use the actual one that I had on the master list, just so you could get the names. All right. So let's take these categories first. You can come up with whatever categories you want but just for this example, we're going to use the ones that I already have saved. Okay. And then we're going to use the names that I already have. All right, so grab that again, copy, right there, paste. So I have these because different periods. So like that in the same, those kids in the same period, that kid in his period by himself, these two in the same lab period again. So, you know, crunch up your little columns. And then this will be totals. All right. Okay, so now you got to put your little drop down menus. Oh, I'm sorry, put your date. So 09/09/26, 10/26. Okay, so that's 26. And 09/13/26. All right, so highlight, merge, center. Oh, don't center like that. Center, highlight, merge, merge. And it's remembering that I wanted to center it, so it's being nice like that. All right. Oh, why did I mess with it? There we go. All right. So now we're going to do the drop down menu. So you're going to do the places that you want it done. So I'm going to highlight these three here. Going to go to data and data validation. And this is going to be in a list. All right. You can only select cells directly on the grid. So you're going to move this guy over, select, and I'm going to go to values. And that's not going to work out like that. It's going to go that's clear. All right, so I need it to go into there, go from a list, and then come on over to here. Highlight into here, then select it down. So if you're kind of wondering what it basically is equals is going to start it. Then you have these like one quote, then the values, which is obviously the title, then your exclamation to close that. And then you just highlighted your cells that you wanted right here. And then you're going to hit apply. So now from there, you could just take this guy and then just grab him straight across and you'll have him. So once you have that, highlight all three and drag him down and you'll have it. And then Control C and do it all the way across. And I'm doing the same thing down here. So then they will be all done. All right. So then what I would need to do right here is I'm just going to copy this part, copy that one-liner, and bring it to David. Straight across. And everybody's pretty much done. If you want to, you can go and box these up like this. And then go to Home and do a clean like border if you wanted to. You can just to separate them. All right, then what you're going to want to do here is grab totals. So right here, you're going to equal sum, open up the category, and it's going to be dragging it all the way over, like there, close the box and press enter. And then click, make sure your plus sign is right there in the corner. Oh, plus sign is in the corner. Oh, why would you do that? There we go. Come here and drag it down. Erase that one. Erase that one. Okay. Now, you could do one of two things. You could copy all the data again and put it over here to Foreman. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one. Go here. I'm going to copy sheet. Paste it. There you go. Move it over to here, and I'm going to rename it. Okay. And then I'm going to move some kids around, because obviously different teachers have them at different times. All right. And let's just say this is how it is. And goodbye. All right. So then you're going to do your totals over here and put the kids' names again. All right. The week. Okay. Obviously, you can open this up just to make. So now you want to total it. So now when you want to get somebody to total up, so what I did was I actually just went back to me and I put some numbers in just for Sylvia, just a couple numbers here and there. So there's a 3 over here and a 2 over here. So you're going to write the equation up in here. You're going to go equal sum, open up the parentheses, and then you're going to do the first person, Okasik, and then exclamation mark. And then I believe that I am U4 and U9. So U4, or comma, okay, USSICK, exclamation point, U9, comma, and then I'm going to get Foreman, who for, let's put something in here, 1,
So then foreman will be a 2. So let's go over here. There. So we equal. Start that over. Oop, forgot that. And I think I did forget it again. That would be U5. Okay. Come over here. Make sure comma. And then just come on over here and press enter, and there you go. So Sylvia got a 7. So you're going to basically do the entire same thing. You would click then into Don, Trey, David, Shane, do the same formula where it equals, and then you would go to back where the sum categories here. So it would be like, you know, for Don, Trey, it would be like U5, or David would be like U7, and you would follow the same procedure to do all the other categories. Now, the only other thing that I want to make sure that I show you is the categories where you could give a student their own digital check-in, check-out. So the student's name would be on here. Their schedule would be as follows, and you would give this to the kid, and then they could have the teacher fill it out, paper, pencil, double check your own work, or just kind of holding the kid accountable so they can walk around with this all day saying, hey, you know, I got 2s in all my classes, and then give it back to you at the end of the day. So that's also another thing that you can do with the check-in, check-out.